Hello. Today we are going to see how to create a web page using hypertext markup language, that is HTML. Generally for creating web pages, we use markup language, that is HTML. What is a web page? Collection of multiple web pages can form an entire website. So like suppose if you want to create a website, we need to create small web pages for that, and now we'll see how to create a web page, a very simple web page using Notepad. So for that, first you need to open Notepad. You can type here in search bar and open Notepad. Once you open Notepad, you have to write the very basic HTML code. Okay. So first we'll see what is that basic HTML structure. You have to write HTML open. HTML markups are generally written in this angular brackets, open and close. So HTML open, and for closing tag we write slash HTML. So open and close HTML tags. After that, head tag open and head tag close. Head tag open and close, it is generally used for mentioning the title of the page. Okay, so inside this head tag open and close, we'll write title tag open and title tag close. Now what title we want for the web page, that we have to write here. Like suppose I'll write here my first HTML web page. Okay. So because this is first HTML web page, I will write my first HTML web page as a title over here. You can write anything as a title, whatever you want as a title in the web page, that you will write here. After this head tag close, you have to write body tag open and body tag close. This body tag is the most important tag in HTML, because whatever other tags are there in HTML, we generally write in body tag open and close. Like suppose you want to display paragraph in the browser, or suppose you want to add some table or image or any other content. So all those tags will write inside this body tag open and close. Now just to see the very basic web page, there are 6 heading tags in HTML, like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. We'll see how those heading tags work. Like suppose you want to display the heading of your document, the title of your document, at that time you can use this. So my first HTML page, or HTML, my first HTML page, and then heading tag close. Total 6 heading tags are there in this HTML. So we'll see all the 6 heading tags here. I'll just copy paste this content here. My first HTML page, and heading tag to close, that is H2 close. Like this, H1, H2, H3, H4, and H4, H5, and H6. Total 6 heading tags are there. Okay, so H3 close. After that, H4 tag, again same content, slash H4, and H5 close. Then H6 as the 6th heading tag. Now we'll see in browser how it works. Now suppose this code we have written over here. Now you will think, now how to open this as a web page, how this will form a web page. For that, I'll tell you, you have to save this page first. First you need to save this page as .html. So on desktop here I have one folder HTML. Inside this I will save this page as a file name for this will be like heading tags, heading tags dot html. Remember, this dot html is the most important. Whenever you want to, you are writing HTML page, or you want to display this as a web page, you have to give extension as dot html. If you don't change this, it will consider as a text document, and this whole structure will be visible in the web page. So to avoid that, write .html and save as type should be all files. It should be all files. So heading tags .html, save. So now this page I have saved as .html. Now how to execute this in browser? How to check this, how it looks in the browser? For that, open any browser in your computer. I'll open Google Chrome here. Now press Ctrl plus O keys of your keyboard. You have to press Ctrl plus O together, and then select the file and open. Here you can see the title is visible, my first HTML web page. This title is visible in the title bar, which we have written in the title tag. You can see this, my first HTML web page. This is displayed here in the title bar, and these all are heading tags. H1 heading tag, you can see the text which we wrote in H1 is displayed in little big font, like the heading or the title. Then H2 as a subtitle, like this H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Total 6 heading tags are there. You can use this for various headings. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this HTML structure and the heading tags. Thank you.